Design Gurukul, Knowledge to Excellence. World's topmost Gurukul reviving Vedic architecture and scientific Vastu. Registered trust under the Indian Trust Act, Government of N-City of Delhi. For many people, the health risk from exposure to indoor air pollution may be greater than those related to outdoor pollution. Symptoms of poor indoor air quality: headache, fatigue, hypersensitivity, allergies, sinus congestion, shortness of breath, dizziness, and many more. All building professionals and even house owners should learn how to improve indoor air quality and take precautions. So what are you waiting for? Join our one-day program on how to improve indoor air quality. Thanks for watching. Come and join us. Contact us at 96502-37918. You can drop us a mail at designgurukul1@gmail.com. You can also visit our website at www.designgurukul.in.